Welcome back to the Joy of Trucking. I'm Kevin, a solo driver for CRETE Carrier. I want to tell you a story today. I had a new experience. When I drove for Werner for a year, I would wait until I got to a terminal and then go to the wash bay at the terminals. And with CRETE, they don't seem to have any wash bays at the terminals, but they do let you take your truck to a blue beacon every 45 days to wash the truck. Lord knows it doesn't last very long, and that's a long stretch between washing, but today was the first time I ever tried it. I delivered my load and I got a little time to wait before I pick up my next one, so I called it in and they said, yeah, sure, go to a blue beacon. It was a very interesting experience. First of all, I pulled up at the entrance. I was met by a fella there who asked me what I needed done, and then he ushered me into the wash bay where there was a small army waiting, a bunch of fellows with pressure washing hoses and so on. There was even a girl in charge of the whole project who did a kind of a quality control check and made sure I got everything done the way I like, and they asked if there were any specific items that needed to be attended to or whatever. And then I went into the office. The girl there contacted CRETE, got the okay for the work order, and then she told me they only cover the actual washing. And I wasn't worried about the trailer, I just wanted the tractor done, so that was covered. That's about $49 in itself. But then she asked if I wanted anything extra. They have the Rain X and the extra treatment to keep it clean and shiny, and I'm like, no, I wasn't too thrilled about that. But something I'm particular about, I did want the engine washed, and I did want the tires shined up a bit. They have a special treatment for the tires too. So I paid for those actually out of my own pocket because I think it was well worth it. I like to have the engine clean just because it's nice to look under there and see it looking good, but also it's easier to spot trouble if you have a leak, or if there's something amiss. It's easier to see it if the truck engine compartment is clean. And as far as the tires, I just think it looks so much better with polished, shiny black tires. And of course, the rim's nice and shiny too, as you can see. I might give that an extra buff myself, though. They didn't do anything special with that other than pressure washing it. But the whole thing was over pretty quick, and I was impressed with the service, with the number of people that were attending the truck. Just very professional, very nice atmosphere. All around a good experience, and I feel really good having a nice clean truck. As you can see, I'm doing my best to show it off here. Yeah, I'll be going back to Blue Beacon again. I do wish that CRETE had some wash bays, because I do like to do this sort of thing myself. But yeah, as long as they're paying for it, I don't mind that either. Okay, thumbs up. Hope you like the look of the truck. Comments down below. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we'll see you down the road. Bye for now.